Hi guys, today is my first voiceover video. Today I am gonna show you the pen drive which show no media, how to fix it. First of all, go to disk management. Here we can see no media. Then open CMD, run as administrator, Diskpart, hit enter. List disk, select the disk one and clean it. Here we can see that Diskpart clean is not working. Now I am gonna use, first of all, turn on the internet, open your browser and search Chip Genius. Click on the link usbdev.ru and download the latest one. In my case, the latest version of Chip Genius is version 4.21.0701. I am gonna download it. I have already downloaded it, so I cancelled. The password is usbdev.ru. Now open downloads and extract the Chip Genius file. Open Chip Genius. You will see there controller vendors, controller part number. You have to remember that pen drives have many kind of vendors, just like chip bank, Aircord Micro and etc. You have to remember the vendor and the part number. Now search it on your browser. My part number and my vendor is a chip bank and the CVM 2199A. I am gonna search it and download the latest driver. We have to download the driver which is compatible to our device. In my case, the chip bank AP tool which is compatible to my device, I found it and I downloaded it. After downloading, extract the downloaded file, open it. It auto detects your pen drive if you have done all the steps carefully and correctly. After few minutes, it automatically fixes your pen drive. This method only work for pen drive, not for SSD or memory cards. Now after that, open disk management and you will see that pen drive is now fixed. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.